I'm Cathy Harris. My website is cathyharrisinternational.com, and our organic food movement website is virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Again, virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Now today I wanted to talk about Swiss chard and how it is so easy to grow. Now last week, this row wasn't growing, but I gave it a little extra fertilizer, and now it's catching up with everything else. I usually put out fertilizer every couple of weeks, so I will be showing you exactly the kind of fertilizer I use, organic fertilizer, to grow this great food. Now I want to go ahead and go over here and show you my Swiss chard and tell you a little bit more of why I chose to grow 4 rows of Swiss chard, why I like growing Swiss chard. Swiss chard is just an easy food to grow overall. As a matter of fact, I have been growing this row of Swiss chard for 1 year now. As soon as we cut it 3 inches from the root, it's going to grow back that size within a couple of weeks. So it's a very, very fast growing food for my region, Swiss chard. See there, 3 inches. Just an easy food to grow overall. Now, I cut it about a week ago, so you can see the size of it there. Within 2 weeks, it's going to be that size again. It's going to be ready for cutting again. If you look at those rows right there, I was able to freeze 10 packets of food, because last week I had to cut it because it had gotten so big. So those rows are about 10 packages of frozen foods. And the reason I like eating Swiss chard is because it's a green food. Now, green foods alkalizes your body. It's real good for your body. It actually builds your body up. So you need to eat green food. You need to understand that. You need to be eating green foods every day, but you need to eat green foods in as natural forms as possible, blended, juiced, or steamed. You don't need to be cooking green foods. We had a big Swiss chard harvest today. So what I'm doing now, I'm washing off the Swiss chard, and I am going to be putting it in plastic bags and freezing it. On the bags, I put the name of the food and the date, and I put the foods in there and I freeze it. And I have to do this every 2 weeks with Swiss chard. So this is a food that grows really, really well in my region. So if you want a good green food in your household, consider Swiss chard.